The Arctic and Antarctic. Two icy realms shrouded in mystery. These frozen frontiers have captivated explorers and scientists for centuries. They remain some of the most remote and least understood places on Earth. What lies beneath the vast expanses of ice and snow? What secrets do these frozen landscapes hold? Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the mysteries beyond the poles. We'll delve into the unique geography, discover the surprising diversity of life, and examine the profound impact of climate change on these fragile ecosystems. The poles are not just barren wastelands. They are vibrant ecosystems teeming with life, from microscopic organisms to majestic polar bears and penguins. Beneath the ice, the poles hold a secret hidden land masses and underwater features. Using advanced technology like sonar and satellites, scientists are mapping these submerged worlds. They've discovered vast mountain ranges, deep trenches, and even active volcanoes beneath the ice. The Arctic Ocean floor is marked by a giant underwater mountain range called the Lomonosov Ridge. In the Antarctic, the Gambutsev Mountains, buried under miles of ice, rival the Alps in size. These hidden landscapes provide clues about Earth's geological past. The Transantarctic Mountains, a chain that divides the continent, are a testament to the powerful forces that shaped our planet. They offer a glimpse into the Earth's history, revealing ancient rock formations and evidence of past climates. These discoveries challenge our understanding of these regions and highlight the importance of continued exploration. Despite the extreme cold and limited sunlight, life thrives in the polar regions. Unique ecosystems have evolved to survive in these harsh conditions. In the Arctic, vast stretches of sea ice provide a hunting ground for polar bears. Seals, walruses, and various species of whales also rely on the ice for survival. On land, caribou, reindeer, and Arctic foxes roam the tundra. The Antarctic, isolated by the Southern Ocean, is home to an array of penguins, seals, and seabirds. Emperor penguins, known for their incredible breeding cycle, endure the harshest winter on Earth. Beneath the ice, krill, a tiny crustacean, forms the base of the Antarctic food web. These creatures are a vital food source for whales, seals, and penguins. These ecosystems are finely balanced and highly vulnerable to change. Climate change is having a profound impact on the polar regions. Temperatures are rising at twice the rate of the rest of the planet, causing the ice to melt at an alarming rate. This melting ice contributes to rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities worldwide. The loss of sea ice has dire consequences for polar bears, seals, and other ice-dependent animals. Their hunting grounds are shrinking, and their survival is at risk. The melting ice also opens up new areas for human exploration, including shipping routes and access to natural resources. The potential for resource extraction raises concerns about environmental damage and geopolitical tensions. It is crucial that we proceed with caution and prioritize the protection of these fragile ecosystems. Section 5. A new era of discovery exploring the unknown. As the ice recedes, new opportunities arise for scientific exploration. Scientists are eager to study the newly exposed areas, collecting data on the ocean floor, the atmosphere, and the unique life forms that inhabit these regions. Underwater robots and remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, allow us to explore the depths of the polar oceans, revealing new species and ecosystems. Ice cores, extracted from deep within the ice sheets, provide valuable information about Earth's climate history dating back thousands of years. These cores act like time capsules, trapping ancient air bubbles and revealing past temperatures and greenhouse gas concentrations. By studying the poles, we gain a better understanding of our planet's past, present, and future. Section 6. The Arctic, a sea surrounded by continents. The Arctic is not a continent, but a vast ocean surrounded by land masses belonging to several countries: Canada, Russia, Greenland, part of Denmark, Norway, and the United States, Alaska. These countries have territorial claims in the Arctic, and the region is becoming increasingly important for shipping, fishing, and potentially resource extraction. The Arctic is home to indigenous peoples who have lived in harmony with the environment for centuries. Their traditional knowledge is invaluable for understanding and adapting to the changing Arctic. The melting ice in the Arctic is opening up new shipping routes, such as the Northwest Passage, which could significantly reduce travel times between Asia and Europe. Section 7. The Antarctic, a continent surrounded by sea. In contrast to the Arctic, Antarctica is a continent surrounded by the Southern Ocean. A research is surrounded by ice and mountain. The treaty encourages international cooperation in scientific research and promotes the peaceful use of Antarctica. The continent is home to research stations from various countries where scientists study a wide range of subjects, including climate change, glaciology, and marine biology. The Antarctic ice sheet holds about 90% of the world's fresh water. If it were to melt entirely, it would cause a catastrophic rise in sea levels. Section 8. Guardians of the Poles, our collective responsibility. The polar regions, though geographically distant, are intimately connected to the rest of the planet. They play a crucial role in regulating global climate, ocean currents, and sea levels. What happens at the poles affects us all. We have a collective responsibility to protect these fragile environments for future generations. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions is crucial to slowing down the rate of ice melt. We must also invest in renewable energy sources and promote sustainable practices to mitigate the impacts of climate change. International cooperation is essential to address the challenges facing the polar regions. Section 9. A call to action, protecting our polar regions. The future of the polar regions hangs in the balance. The choices we make today will determine their fate. By raising awareness, supporting scientific research, and advocating for policy changes, we can make a difference. Let's work together to ensure that these icy wildernesses continue to inspire wonder and awe for generations to come. Support organizations dedicated to polar conservation and research. Educate yourself and others about the importance of these regions. Every action, no matter how small, can contribute to a healthier planet. Together we can make a difference.